Welcome back to the channel. 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S arrives as one of the most versatile and stylish cruisers in its class, blending modern engineering with classic cruiser comfort. Unlike traditional heavyweight cruisers, the Vulcan S sets itself apart with its approachable nature, sporty dynamics, and Kawasaki's distinctive design language. This motorcycle has been developed to appeal to a wide range of riders, from those stepping up to mid-size motorcycles to experienced enthusiasts who want a lightweight, practical, yet stylish cruiser. For 2025, Kawasaki continues to refine the Vulcan S, enhancing its comfort, technology, and rider-focused ergonomics while keeping the DNA that made it a favorite for years. At first glance, the 2025 Vulcan S maintains its sleek, low-slung stance. The bike's sharp lines, modern headlamp design, and minimalist bodywork give it a contemporary appeal that stands out from the more traditional retro-inspired cruisers. Kawasaki has kept its characteristic flowing tank design and elongated profile, but subtle updates in paint schemes and finishes bring a fresh edge. Matte and gloss paint options highlight its aggressive personality, while blacked-out engine components and exhaust tips add to the modern cruiser look. Riders will notice the Vulcan's balance between sporty styling cues and relaxed cruiser geometry, which continues to be a key reason behind its widespread appeal. Under the tank, the 2025 Vulcan S is powered by Kawasaki's proven 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the same unit that has impressed in models like the Ninja 650 and Z650. This liquid-cooled, fuel-injected motor delivers around 61 horsepower and 63 Nm of torque, making it one of the most versatile engines in the mid-size segment. Its linear power delivery ensures smooth performance for city commuting while still offering enough punch for spirited highway rides. The twin-cylinder design strikes a balance between cruiser torque and sporty responsiveness, ensuring that the Vulcan S doesn't just look modern but rides like a modern machine too. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the throttle response for 2025, offering smoother low-end delivery, which is perfect for beginners while still rewarding experienced riders with exciting mid-range acceleration. One of the strongest aspects of the Vulcan S has always been its rider-focused ergonomics, and for 2025, Kawasaki has taken this philosophy further. The Vulcan S continues to feature its signature Ergo-Fit system, which allows riders to adjust the seat, handlebars, and foot peg positions to suit different body types. This adaptability makes the Vulcan S an excellent option for shorter riders who may struggle with larger cruisers, as well as taller riders who need extra legroom for comfort. The low 705mm seat height ensures confidence at low speeds and stoplights, while the narrow chassis design allows for easy reach to the ground. With its customizable setup, the Vulcan S has become one of the most beginner-friendly yet versatile cruisers in the market, ensuring that riders of different builds can find their perfect fit. The frame and suspension setup emphasize stability and agility. Built around a lightweight high-tensile steel frame, the Vulcan S weighs in at around 229 kilograms, which is relatively light for a cruiser. This makes it easy to handle in urban environments, especially when compared to bulkier V-twin cruisers. At the front, a 41mm telescopic fork ensures smooth handling over bumps, while the rear monoshock with adjustable preload enhances comfort and stability, even with a passenger. Kawasaki has tuned the suspension for a balance between comfort and sportiness, ensuring the Vulcan S doesn't feel sluggish in corners. It's agile enough for twisty roads while still maintaining the laid-back riding feel expected from a cruiser. Braking performance is handled by a 300mm disc at the front with a 2-piston caliper and a 250mm disc at the rear, also with a 2-piston caliper. ABS comes standard in 2025, offering riders confidence in all conditions. The braking setup provides progressive stopping power, and combined with the bike's well-balanced weight distribution, the Vulcan S offers excellent control for riders at all skill levels. The 18-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel, paired with wide tires, not only enhance the cruiser stance but also provide strong grip and stability across different road conditions. On the technology side, Kawasaki has given the Vulcan S subtle but meaningful updates for 2025. While the cruiser maintains its simple, rider-focused personality, it now features a modernized instrument cluster that blends analog and digital elements. Riders can monitor fuel range, gear position, and riding data at a glance. Kawasaki has also included smartphone connectivity via its Rideology app, allowing riders to track ride statistics, service reminders, and even navigation assistance when paired with a mobile device. These updates make the Vulcan S more relevant for today's riders, who expect a mix of tradition and modern tech in their motorcycles. Comfort remains a cornerstone of the Vulcan S design. The wide, padded seat offers excellent support for longer rides, while the passenger seat is designed to provide comfort without disrupting the sleek lines of the bike. Kawasaki has also reworked the exhaust note slightly for 2025, offering a deeper, more satisfying sound that complements the cruiser experience. The bike is equally a home on daily commutes, weekend rides, or even light touring with the addition of optional accessories like saddlebags, windshields, and passenger backrests. Fuel economy is another area where the Vulcan S excels. Thanks to its efficient parallel twin engine, the bike offers an average fuel consumption of around 23 to 25 kilometers per liter, making it economical for both urban and highway use. With its 14-liter fuel tank, riders can expect a practical range that balances efficiency with convenience. For those considering the Vulcan S as an everyday motorcycle, this combination of performance and fuel efficiency makes it a very compelling choice. When it comes to competition, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S positions itself uniquely in the market. While traditional cruisers often focus on big V-twin engines and heavyweight builds, the Vulcan S offers a lightweight, nimble, and approachable alternative. Rivals like the Honda Rebel 500 or Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 offer stiff competition, but the Vulcan S stands out with its sporty handling, Ergo-Fit adjustability, and the proven reliability of Kawasaki engineering. It bridges the gap between sport-inspired performance and cruiser comfort, which few bikes in this category manage to achieve. For riders looking for their first midsize cruiser, the 2025 Vulcan S is one of the most confidence-inspiring options available. Its combination of low seat height, adjustable ergonomics, manageable weight, and predictable power delivery make it perfect for those transitioning from smaller motorcycles. At the same time, experienced riders who want a versatile, everyday cruiser that doesn't compromise on performance will find the Vulcan S rewarding to ride. Its ability to adapt to different riding styles and needs makes it a motorcycle that grows with the rider. In terms of pricing, Kawasaki has kept the Vulcan S competitive, offering excellent value compared to larger cruisers that are often priced much higher. With its premium build quality, stylish finishes, and dependable performance, the bike represents a smart investment for riders who want a cruiser that won't break the bank while still delivering long-term reliability. Optional accessories and customization options also allow riders to make the Vulcan S truly their own, from touring setups to minimalist urban styles. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S ultimately continues its legacy as a cruiser designed for modern riders. It's a motorcycle that blends classic cruiser looks with sporty engineering, offering a unique package that appeals to a broad spectrum of riders. With its updated features, refined ergonomics, and approachable performance, it has everything needed to stand out in the increasingly competitive mid-size cruiser segment. Whether used for daily commutes, relaxed weekend rides, or exploring open highways, the Vulcan S delivers comfort, confidence, and style in equal measure. It proves that a cruiser doesn't have to be heavy or intimidating to offer an authentic riding experience. It can be light, adaptable, and truly versatile. The 2025 Vulcan S is not just another cruiser. It's a statement of how modern motorcycling can be accessible, practical, and stylish without losing character. Kawasaki has refined what was already one of the most rider-friendly cruisers on the market, and in doing so, they've created a motorcycle that can suit beginners and veterans alike. For anyone seeking a bike that merges comfort, performance, and customization in a sleek package, the Vulcan S stands ready as one of the best choices in 2025.